What if your brand could pop up anywhere in the city, at great high-traffic locations, on large digital screens, at an unexpected low cost? Sounds difficult? Meet Urban Publishing Pop-Up, the world's first easy outdoor solution that makes your brand pop. We use temporarily unused urban locations and turn them into a first-class advertising space. By placing large digital screens behind the windows, we give you the visibility of outdoor advertising at an indoor price. Your message travels across at least 5 different high-traffic locations, in a still image, short animation, or in a full HD video, and gets seen by thousands. Urban Publishing Pop-Ups. Large digital screens, great visibility, high traffic locations, endless technical possibilities, no print costs, no hassle. Up, pop up. Make your brand pop.